Lucid Trading has some amazing plans. However, I've been getting asked this question, Mike, what is the payout policy in the Lucid Pro account? How many days do I actually have to trade? Well, I'm going to show you guys exactly where that hidden rule can be found in today's video. So when we come over and look at the Lucid accounts, the ones that I currently have is going to be the Lucid Flex account. So I actually had to go look up this rule for this trader. We look at the Lucid Pro accounts. In this example, we're going to be talking about the 50K account. We can see that we have a profit target, $3,000, max loss, $2,000, drawdown type, end of the day drawdown, which is my favorite drawdown type. However, there is a daily loss limit in this account, which will be $1,200. Now, the max size we can trade would be 4 minis or 40 micros. And what's even best about this account, you can see right up here, all their accounts are one-time payments. So if it takes you 2, 3, 4, 5 months to pass the evaluation, you're only out of pocket, at least at the time of this promotion, $129. Now, if you guys want to take advantage of this offer, use the link in the description box down below. Use promo code Mike. And I want to remind you, you can always go to propfirmmike.com, search by Prop Firm Challenges. In this case, we'll say $50,000 account. We'll go for the end of the day drawdown type. Then if we go ahead and we sort right here by the true cost, we can see that Lucid Trading has the cheapest account with the true cost, meaning the fee to pay for the account and any type of activation fee. You can get that account for only $65. Also, as a friendly reminder, if you go right here where it says Lucid Trading, click on that. You can scroll right on down here, see the evaluation rules, hard breach rules, along with the funded rules. So this is one place where we can go ahead and we can learn about the payouts. But in today's video, I want to go and actually look at it right from Lucid's own website. Well, if we come right up here to the FAQ real quick, and in today's video, we'll be talking about the Pro account. We click on Pro, and we're going to go ahead and look at the payout policy. If you guys remember the question was, in the Pro account, after funded, can I request a payout after 3 days, or is it going to be 5 trading days? If you guys remember the Lucid Black account, that was the account we could get paid out every 3 trading days. Well, if we look right over here, let's see if we can find that rule or if it's actually hidden. Well, if we look at the payout structure, we can see the profit split is going to be 90%. So the trader will get to keep 90% of the profits. The Lucid Trading will get to keep 10%. Accounts purchased before November 28th, well, you get 100% of the first $10,000. Let's look at the payout eligibility criteria. We can see right here, in order to request a payout, well, one, minimum profit goal. In the 50K account, we have to make $500. And this is in between payout cycles. So this doesn't really fall into line right here during the first payout. Consistency percentage, your largest single day profit must not be more than 40% of the total profit for that payout cycle. The 40% consistency resets after each payout. This ensures that the profits that are earned with consistency, not via one unusual large trade. So basically, they don't want to see a windfall day. Profit over buffer balance. Now, this is where we have to be over a buffer. The Flex account does not have a buffer. In the 50K account, well, the buffer is going to be $2,000 since that is our drawdown amount plus $100. So in this case, the account will have to get above $52,100. So we basically have to have over $2,100 before we can request a payout. If we look right down here, payout minimums and maximum, the minimum we can take out would be $500. In payout number 1, in the 50K account, we can take out $2,000. Payout 2 and beyond, we can take out as much as $2,500 per payout. However, where in this rule set do we see in terms of how many days we have to trade this account before we can actually request a payout? I don't see it anywhere, but at first glance, I was looking okay and said, if no one day can be over 40% of the profit, then I know deep down that the quickest we could get a payout would be 3 days unless they restricted it to potentially 5 days. Thankfully, I had an email saved. If we look right here, if you guys remember, RIP Lucid Black, hello, upgraded Lucid Pro account. Now, in this email, they detail it very clearly. However, if you weren't with Lucid back then, you probably did not receive this email. Now we can see we can pass the evaluation in as little as 1 day. The Flex account, we have to trade it for at least 2 days. Payout policy, well, we can get paid out every 3 days. So I know for certain, not only am I speculating because of the 40% consistency rule that we could potentially get a payout in 3 days, it says it right here in their own email. So if you've been searching around trying to figure out how many days you have to trade the Lucid Pro account, now that has been answered. Let me know in the comment section down below. Did you guys already know how many days you had to trade this account before requesting a payout? And if you're new to Lucid trading, you want to learn how to trade your Lucid account through Tradeovate, but use the NinjaTrader platform, then make sure to watch this next video right here.